Welcome back, everybody. Fix It Dad here. Craig. Ta-da! I'm back. I'm here on my dad, working on my dad's '57 Chevy today. We did this last week or week ago, 2 weeks ago actually. Put the radiator in, but I got it too high. So it's way too high. So I got to take and loosen it, bring it back down. Let's see what else do I got going on here. Got the shroud on, we put the fan on, and then I gotta fix that down there. But anyway, we decided not to put power brakes on it at this point in time, so we're just gonna go with it. And I'm gonna set you guys up here. My dad's coming out. I'm gonna set you guys up here and you can watch me tear this stupid thing apart. Be back in a minute. Bye.
What are you gonna do?
Okay, there we are. Woo! Working. Okay, I'm gonna get my wrench. Oh, let's see, what did I do with it? Just had it. Oh, here it is. No, we're good.
As long as it don't come out of there.
I gotta try to get this one down here now. Out. I could have actually run the other GoPro too if I wanted to. I have 3 of them, but I only use 2 most of the time. But this won't be that big a deal. Once you pull this out, I'll just
Well,
bring it down.
it made extra work for us. It's too bad.
Yeah, well.
I don't know why we weren't thinking about putting it in the slotted.
Because I was thinking that we can do it without doing the slotted, and then you might.
Well, the only thing is, when you get it in slotted, you have to hold it down, and that line's hooked up in there, and this.
Oh, there we go. Look at that.
This might. I might have to help.
I'll wander over here and show you what I'm doing.
I guess you're not jiggling the car that much, except when you go to do
It's
that.
magnetized. It won't come off.
Oh, it magnetizes through the cloth?
Yeah.
So, actually...
And removing those. Yeah. No, it's magnetized. I just got that. Yes, I got that.
Oh, we never did have this one in up here, did we?
Yeah, I took it out.
Oh, you just took it out now?
I took them all out. Yeah, I gotta go find my magnet thing. But anyway,
Oh, you got...
I have it magnetized.
You got the 2 bottom ones yet, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, one of them.
Yeah, I gotta get the... I thought I had a...
I don't want to bug you. Don't ignore my mouth.
There it is.
I'm just trying to give you moral support.
You're good. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
There it goes. This is what I was looking for.
Oh.
Yeah. Magnet. Anyway.
Where do you...
Because I'm gonna need it for the bottom one down here.
Oh, you mean to get into
to get in down to this lower one, I think. So
to get it out?
Yeah, to get it out. So.
Oh, when you put it in?
I know when you put it in.
Some you got your hand down there, I think is what you did.
I don't know what I did, but I got it down there.
Somehow.
Yeah, maybe I did it like
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Let me see. I don't remember how I did it, actually, to be honest. I don't know. Maybe. Just made it.
Turn it on you?
No, a little bit. I think I got this. If I can just get that lower one. So the shroud we're going to kick back, and then we'll do it like we did last time. Yeah, let's turn it on. Let me get those out here. Let me get down here.
Yeah, I think you had to get in there.
I got it.
And get your hand somehow in there to hold it enough. And actually going in too, but it's not as easy. Both those bottom ones are not easy. Well, this side may be easier than the other. That one there. Because you got the crazy battery and everything in there.
I can go down here just to make that pop out on me or not. Wow, I got 56%. Craig back, and with my dad. Where is he? There he is. Say hi.
Hi.
Anyway, there we are. So we got that down. It's down. It doesn't hit the hood. We were worried about this hitting the hood because we had it too high, which it doesn't. So I'm going to sit you guys down somewhere else here, I think. I'm going to try to...
It would have hit it. It would have.
You would have hit it if you would have done it. Could have hit it. It would have hit hard.
Well, if it is there,
that's
it's
perfect.
really close, but it hit shuts.
Let's go with that. Let's see.
I still think
I know. There.
you're too far, not enough lined, my opinion. But
I think you're right.
and you can't. It won't. I wonder what's keeping it from not this side not kind of coming down versus this side over here. Yeah, see, you're on over here far enough. You know, I don't have the old I don't have the old radiator up here right now. I just know where the position you could see where
Where was that?
where was the slots were on that.
All I know is putting this bolt in sucked. I can't remember how I did it last time.
Well, you were much closer. You lined up much better, Craig. Well, the way it shows, it looks like on here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, like, but I can't. But I'm not sure.
So let me see if I can figure this
so much
out.
paint have gone off there that I can't tell where it was
What
tightened.
did I do with the other? What did I do with the flip light? Is it down there?
Yeah, right there.
That's what I want, yeah. Oh, okay. It makes it helps a little bit. Helps a lot actually. So let's do that.
You know, I'm wondering if you tried to put in the second and third one down there,
First,
that
You know,
it might
it's-
bring
you know-
it. When it might bring it down. I don't know.
I think you're right. I was thinking about that too. That process did kind of hit me.
That's just a suggestion, but
No, it's actually a good idea. It's about the same thing too.
actually, you get the bolt in there.
I know. Gotta get
You have a
one there.
leverage to pull it down, maybe.
Oh, that one's. Yeah, this one's gonna have to be. Wow. Oh.
See, that's the trouble.
Oh, I
with-
see what you're saying. Oh, we're not even close, are we?
Well, that's what I kept saying to you.
wow.
Well, so I don't know.
Obviously, I wasn't listening.
I don't know what we.
Oh, there it is. Okay, that's the. Okay, we're good. No, we're there.
Well, yeah, but you're on a ragged edge, Craig, of not getting it to get the. We're in a position, the kind of bolt that you got to get in there, and the way it's so bad, you need for the
Let's try
radiator
this.
to. I mean, to get lined up.
No.
And I don't know. You know, those slots
Okay, going in.
may not be as long as
You got something going. Oh,
the ones in
we do
the.
have bolts there. Look at that.
It's
there.
there, but
It's all right. I'll just snug it up with a. Let's get a couple threads on it. We're good. We'll just slowly but surely. Actually,
Yeah.
I may have been able to put the shroud in without having to do this the other way.
you ain't gonna be able to get a nut on that. It's not enough
You
to.
little faith.
Well, I can tell you, I can see. I've been around a long time, Craig. I've been around the block more than once.
Yeah. Let's see here.
Yeah, it's still binding there.
Oh, we got battery. I'm back. And my light's flashing. Craig here. Me and my dad got the radiator in. I'll show you. There it is. I got a bunch of mess here. I'll show you what else we're doing here in a minute. So it's in. I smacked my head on these corners here. Bloodied myself. Anyway. It's in. Oh, it's beauty. Now the light's dying. There. It's flashing me telling me it's running out of juice. Guess it needs to be done. Anyway, what we're doing now is right there. Is a valve, what do you want to call it? It's a brake thing. My dad has disc brakes put on this, so it's right there. This little guy right here. So we got to install that. I got it loose, so we're gonna do that. Fan works. We got to put the fan on it, and fan belt, and then we got to put antifreeze in it. She's done. Yeah, it's flashing. Yeah, I know you're running out. Okay. See you guys in a few. Bye.
Hey,
No.
it seemed to be pretty good, but then the thing, you got to stop with it too, though. You got to.
I know. We're back, and we're done. Dad.
Well, we hope.
Well, we got it done.
Well, we got it together, but we have
It's
to.
together, so all we gotta do is put antifreeze in it. He doesn't have any antifreeze.
And-
But then the brakes work, and it was really low. But we finished it.
I don't know how that got so low.
I don't know either. I don't drive this car. But yeah, that was fun. But the radiator fits nice. Doesn't hit the hood. And hopefully it'll cool. We'll get some antifreeze in it, and we should be good. The lighting really sucks, but that's okay. Anyway, I'm out of here. See you guys all later. Bye.